Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
First, check your iPhone is running iOS 13 or later and signed into Apple ID. Make sure you have about 200 MB of free storage and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Open Settings and confirm location services are enabled at Privacy, then Location Services. If you use Face ID or Touch ID, make sure authentication is set up for App Store purchases. These simple checks avoid download failures and let Google Maps access your location immediately after installation. Open the App Store on your iPhone and tap the Search tab at bottom. Type Google Maps in the search bar and locate the official Google LLC app. Tap Get, then install and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Watch the progress circle until it completes, then tap Open to launch Google Maps for the first time. Sign in with your Google account to sync saved places, timelines, and preferences across devices. When prompted, allow Google Maps to access your location and enable background app refresh. This ensures continuous navigation and live traffic updates while driving. To save data, download offline maps by selecting a place, tapping its name, and choosing Offline Maps. You can create a Siri shortcut to open directions with a custom voice phrase for faster routing. Remember, iPhone cannot change system default maps universally, so use Google Maps directly or via supported app share options for navigation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.